Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So this video is a voiceover, and this happened in the night. Can you see what this is? This is a grocery shop, and much more than a grocery shop. It's in I think this one is in Astoria, Fred Meyer. And for me, I come from California. I usually live in California. And so we drove all the way along the highway number 5, came to Eureka, the border between California and Oregon, and then we arrived at Calamas. This is a little town, or maybe a big town. This is a town in Oregon. And we were quite late and arrived at the hotel, but we want to have something to know about the local, and mostly to buy some instant noodle, buy some juice, just to buy some normal grocery shopping. And the hotel attendant, the hotel person told us that there is a Fred Meyer close at 11 o'clock. So we went to Fred Meyer, and oh my goodness, immediately I was just blown away by the size of it. And it's so huge, so huge. We cannot go through all of them. We just saw one that writes grocery, so we went there and bought some juice and those milk, juice, and these things. So this is the first day. And then the second day we finished, and in Portland we finished, and in the evening we went to Kennedy School, and beside Kennedy School there was a Fred Meyer, I think. Yeah, just around that area there is a Fred Meyer. We went there, and also very big. But still, we only have 10-20 minutes. So I didn't see well. So in my heart, I was just twisted because, I want to see it. I want to see the store in full scale. So there came a number 5 or number 4 day. We are in Astoria, and we had dinner. We had dinner early, and simple dinner, and we finished at something like 9 o'clock, 8 or 9 o'clock. And I sent my family back, and I went to Fred Meyer in Astoria. By myself, so good. In the night, in the evening, in the night, almost closing. And I drove across a river, and that one I don't think it's Meyer River. It might be another river, maybe not a Meyer River, Meyer Bridge. I drove across the river and went to the other side, and came to Fred Meyer. This is the first time I have seen Fred Meyer so big, so huge. Oh my goodness, we were so impressed. So it's like kind of a Safeway, a Whole Food, for electric, Best Buy, Fry's, or Home Depot, and a garden shop, a big Home Depot garden, and all this put under one roof. It's huge, huge, huge. When we get in, we were so impressed. So this time I could walk slowly, nicely, only by myself, not worrying about anything. I can see each clothes, and it's a little bit like ocean, like yeah. Anyway, it has everything, so many things. I just wonder how they manage it. And I searched online, got a little bit of its story, background story. I think Fred Meyer is, and its headquarters is in Portland, Oregon, and started in 1920s, 30s, and by a German immigrant. His name is Fred Meyer, so he started. I think Sam Walton started Walmart also from a small chain family store selling everything, and later on combine all these things, become such a big, huge conglomeration, yeah, and that is Fred Meyer. And I don't know, it's not about making advertisement, but just to feel so interested to see something in such a huge, humongous level. It's just fun. It's very, very fun, and something that is make me worry to go there shopping is you may end up spending too much time for people like me, for people like us. We like to wander around. We like to see this thing, that thing, get interested. Maybe if I live there and often go to that place, I may have less interest and spend less time. But first time seeing a store of such a huge level, huge size, it's just overwhelming. And it's so entertaining. You can take it as an amusement park, or you can take it like my family say, pig in the mud. I am in my mud, and oh, I love it, and it's so fun. If you are living in, I think this one, if you live in Washington State, Oregon State, Idaho State, Alaska State, maybe this is nothing new, nothing unique for me. But from another state coming to see this shop in such size, it's absolutely stunning, yeah. And they have good sales, good price, and yeah, it's just fun. If you go there, maybe you will check it out. Oh, bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Just my personal surprise to see it.